Hello friends, how are you today? This is Suvo and welcome to my channel. Today's painting is a little different. Today's painting is my tribute to the most iconic and oldest motorcycle brand of India, the mighty Royal Enfield. To start the painting, I am applying clear water for the background. In the background, I am making some mountains. Another reason for this painting to be unique is because I have used different techniques of painting as well as different mediums also. I have used both watercolor and acrylic in this painting. Once the paper is sufficiently wet, then I start painting the mountain. For this, I am applying a layer of light blue color. I am using light blue as I want to depict a snow covered mountain like the Great Himalayas. At the bottom, I will lighten the color gradually by blending with a wet brush, which will give a misty feel to the mountain. Now comes the play of light and shadows. Shadows give a feeling of depth to any painting. So we need to decide on the direction of the light source and make the painting. For this painting, I have decided that the light will be coming from left side. So left side will be lighter in shade than the right side. For this, I am making the right side a little darker. Once the painting dries completely, remember, completely, as we are going to add details now. For the details, I am using a round tip fine brush. With the brush, I will be drawing some sharp lines with dark blue here and there. With the same brush, I will add some dark strokes in some places on the mountain. These strokes will give illusion of rocks on the mountain. Let the painting dry completely. After it dries, we will paint the peepal leaf. Peepal tree is considered sacred in the Indian culture. So I have used the peepal leaf to depict the Indian culture and the connection of the Royal Enfield brand with the Indian culture. For the leaf, I am using the wet on dry technique. In this technique, we don't wet the paper first. We directly apply the color on the dry surface. Hence the name wet on dry. First, I apply lemon yellow on the leaf. Before the lemon yellow dries, I am applying a second layer of green. As the lemon yellow is still wet, so the green will blend very nicely and give a very vibrant and bright green. Now for the final layer of the leaf, I am taking a darker shade of green, giving some highlights on the edges of the leaf. You can add more layers if you want to go darker, but make sure to go to the darker shade bit by bit. Once you are satisfied, let the layers dry completely. After the layers have dried completely, it's time to paint the bike. For the bike, I am using black acrylic color. Acrylic is a different medium than watercolor. If you want to know more about acrylic painting, then you can view my videos from the acrylic playlist. The link is in the description as well as in the I button above. And if you are interested to know what are the differences between both the mediums, watercolor and acrylic, you can watch my other videos in which I have explained the differences between both the mediums. The links are in the description and in the I button above. For painting the bike, I have used black for the frame with white highlights. The headlights and the indicators I have painted with yellow and orange. All the all the colors are acrylic colors for the bike. So now this painting is complete. You can print this on t-shirts and give them as gifts to your biker friends. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more content on paintings. Do comment which bikes you like to ride. Till the next time, goodbye.